So today we are going to be talking about the 4 most organized or my favorite organized spaces in my room. So we are going to be talking about my bookshelf, my desk, my closet, and my makeup organization. I've been really focusing on reorganizing my room lately, so I wanted to kind of show you guys the 4 main points in my room that I've been super proud of their organization, 3 of which were recent, 1 of which has been the same type of organization since I was in high school. So you guys will probably know it if you've been around for a while, but I wanted to share it to you guys, share it with you guys again. So keep watching if you want to see how I organize my space. Alright, so the first most organized place in my room that I'm so proud of is my bookshelf. So a little bit about even just this piece of furniture. This is an old bookshelf that we got from a family friend that my mom and her friend painted teal to match my dresser when we were redoing my room this summer. I needed just a bigger bookshelf. I have one that's in my closet that used to be a bookshelf. Now it stores sweatshirts and stuff. But this bookshelf is incredible. So I'm going to kind of show you how I have it organized. Some sections are more organized than others, but the whole thing is just beautiful in my opinion. So this top shelf is all plays, which is wonderful. They're all alphabetical by author. It's just beautiful and wonderful and marvelous. I had a lot of plays, obviously, having a theater degree. So I just wanted a place to put them all, and it worked perfectly that this shelf fits all of my plays. Alright, this next shelf, you start over on the right and it has all of my theater textbooks and other theater theory books, and then a few more plays that just didn't have a place up above, or that I've read recently, so they kind of ended up over here. A few more theater textbooks, music textbooks, things like that. And then next is my self-help section. There's a little space because there's a lot of room for things, and then this side is just other textbooks from school that I kept and a dictionary. So that is the second shelf, still fairly educational, still pretty obsessed with it. The third shelf is divided into categories, and I'll kind of walk you through those. So starting on the left, I have all of my Tudor era England fiction and nonfiction books. Then it goes into Harry Potter. I don't have all of the Harry Potter books anymore. I'm trying to rebuild my collection after I somehow didn't have them all anymore. Then we have celebrity-related stuff, books in Spanish and Spanish reference books, alcohol, astrology, and then there's a Book of Mormon back there that was given to me by my friend when she went on her mission. Alright, and then we have the bottom shelf, which I'm just going to kind of scroll by. Things are falling out because this one's not full either, but it's very organized. So on this side, we have my old planners, my Hamilton Revolution book, and then this section here is my fiction section. So there's some Vampire Diaries, some John Green, some Sarah Dessen, all sorts of stuff, a lot of Philippa Gregory. So there's all that. Then I have magazines, and on the very end is health and Hashimoto's related. So we can just scroll up again. This is my bookshelf, and I am obsessed. So the second most organized place in my room is the top of my desk. It hadn't been for a really long time. It was kind of a hot mess, but now it is one of my favorite places in my room. So it starts up here. We have my usual signs that are over my desk, a mirror that I don't really use, but I like it, so it stays there. And then on top of my desk, we have a couple different sections. So over here, we have my makeup brushes and my mirror. My makeup brushes are organized. Face brushes I use frequently, sometimes, and barely. So that's how my makeup brushes are organized. I need to get a 5th bin that I can put dirty brushes in, so I know which ones I need to clean. But for now, this is how they're organized, and I just kind of pull them out as I need to clean them. Then you go over here, and I always have my planner, my notebook, and my gratitude journal, and any books I'm usually reading right now. They're all on my bookshelf because I just filmed the bookshelf section of this. But usually there'll be any books I'm reading in this pile as well. Right now my phone's just there because that's where I left it. Then I have my bin of often used items, which right now includes some face mists, my deodorant and body spray, a hand food, moisturizer, a mask I use a lot, hand sanitizer, just some basic stuff. And then we come over here, And I have this painting from my sister, and then all my pens. So then the top drawer is black, blue, and pencil, then colorful pens, highlighters, and markers. So that is the top of my desk. The third most organized part of my room is simply this section of my closet. And I have a lot of dirty clothes right now, so it's not as beautiful as it usually is. But my closet has like this perfect organization that I started doing in high school, and I still do it. I did it in my closet at school. I do it all the time. So we're gonna start in the back. So it starts in the back. Well, the very back right now is Cameron's prom dress, but then it is dresses that go black, then through the rainbow, backwards. No, wait, that's in the gray section. I was like, why's that blue there? It's in the gray section. So then, yeah, so black, gray, white, rainbow. Then we have jumpsuit usually goes right there. I only have a black one though, so that's fine. And then jackets and sweaters, black, gray, white, rainbow. Then we have shirts, black, gray, white, rainbow. And pants and skirts, black, gray, white, rainbow. So that is how I organize my closet. All right, and the last most organized part of my room is my makeup drawers. My makeup is just in the right side of my dresser. So I'm just going to kind of show you how I organize that. So my top drawer is lip products, and this I recently just overhauled. I overhauled my whole makeup collection, but this was even more overhauled. So this is split up into 4 sections. I have my lip liners and glosses back there, and pencils. Normal lipsticks right here. Lip balms and scrubs and clear glosses back there, and liquid lipsticks in here. So that is the lipstick drawer. Next is my face drawer. It looks a little cattywampus right now, but it's actually quite organized compared to what it used to look like. So in the back I have loose powders and bronzers. Then my primers usually all are standing up right here. This is all foundations and concealers, which also again usually standing up, but they kind of fell over in my drawer. In the middle we have powders, my face powders, one loose powder, but that's because the loose powders in there are translucent. In the back we have palettes and bigger products, so my like Urban Decay body shimmers and any blush and contour palettes are all back there, and my theater concealer palette. And then, and this is all blush and highlight. All right, and here is my eye drawer. In the back is liners and crayons, and even behind that is lashes. I don't wear lashes very often, so they're all the way in the back. Then we have mascaras in here. In between is brow products. Back there is single shadows and pigments and primers, and then this is my smaller palettes. So that's what's in the eye drawer. And this is my least organized drawer. It has new items and items I can use for giveaways, most of my palettes, and my Back to Mac bag is all in here. These containers are from IKEA, these zip-up drawer ones. All the ones up in this section were all from Target. And then this is the last section of my makeup. It's mostly lip stuff. I'm going to show you that. All these drawers are really dusty. These I got off Amazon. I can link those down below. But up on top, I just have some of my most used palettes up in a letter holder on top. Then on this side, I have supplies in this drawer. This drawer is all NYX lipsticks and glosses. This drawer is NARS and Kylie and Bite. This drawer is all ColourPop. This drawer is all Jeffree Star and Kat Von D and Anastasia and Huda Beauty minis. And then this is all MAC. So that is how I store my makeup collection. So those are some of the places in my room that I think are the most organized. I'm on a never-ending journey to fully organize my space, but those are 4 places I am very proud of. All products that I mentioned that can be organizational products that I mentioned will be linked down below if I can find them. And if you have any questions about how I organize my room, leave them down below. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up and hit subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!